Today is Taco Tuesday. So we are about to make some awesome chicken quesadillas. Ain't no questioning. You know these are jam-packed with flavor. Oh, so delicious as usual. You know, and this is a nice simple recipe. I am about to show you how it's done. You know what I'm saying? So let's not waste any more time. Let's get started. So we are gonna begin with 2 chicken breasts. You wanna go ahead and slice them right down the middle just like so, and then go ahead and cube them up. You wanna go ahead and take care of that, get all your chicken chopped up and ready to go. So you want to go ahead and transfer your chicken into a bowl just like so. Drizzle a little bit of olive oil in there and get those hands and give it a nice luxurious massage. And then we are going to season up this chicken oh so proper, because that's all we know how to do. You know what it is, we is never stingy. When it comes to the seasoning, we are very generous. So go ahead and be just like me. Go ham, go crazy. So now I have my pan to about a medium high. I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of oil in there and drop that chicken right in and let it do its thing. Let it sizzle, let that aroma hit the air. Oh my goodness. At this point, our chicken is about halfway cooked. I'm gonna drop in a little bit of red onion and also a mix of bell peppers. Go ahead and get that incorporated. Get your spoon, mix it all in, get those flavors communicating. So once your chicken is fully cooked, you can set it to the side as we begin to assemble this quesadilla. I have my pan here at about a medium, drizzling a little bit of more oil in there, and we are gonna drop a flour tortilla right on down, and we are gonna fill that bad boy up with your favorite cheese. I'm using a Mexican blend. Be very generous with this cheese as well. Go ahead and get that in there. Once your cheese is there, you're gonna grab some of that well seasoned up chicken and drop that right on top. And we are not finished. Grab some more cheese and put it on top of the chicken. Then we are gonna top it off with another tortilla, all right? And be very careful not to burn your tortillas. You know, you want them nice and crispy, but we don't want them burnt, all right? So once we top it off, you want to check the underside, make sure it looks all beautiful, and you're going to give a nice little flip, you know what I'm saying? And we're going to crisp up that other side as well. Once both sides look oh so beautiful, it's time to remove them from the heat, chop it up, and enjoy. I love me some quesadillas. I don't know about you. They are off the hook, man. They are so good. So this is the end result right here. Straight pressure. I'm talking straight pressure in the kitchen. I got my little pico de gallo on the side. Come on now, stop playing with me. Go ahead and chop it up just like so and enjoy. Enjoy this delicious, well seasoned up quesadilla. You know, this ain't your average quesadilla. The seasonings that we put into this just takes it to the next level. So delicious, so easy, and I cannot wait for you to try it on your own. It's amazing. And the amount of chicken we use in the seasonings, it'll make you about 2 of these quesadillas. Straight bomb. I'm trying to let you know. So I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. I will see you on the next recipe. Deuces.